enti aboa bi aka wawo oh aboa bi aka wawo premre pa aka wonyini enye yize na nken se Kevin Taylor do no oye anti MPP and woye Mahama fan adi bia Mahama ye bia eso ne eye ne fe Mahama mamuo mu bibia ekoyi edema Kevin Taylor but there's been a U-turn Accra flood na course for no Kevin Taylor said there it's about time I was a can lokre editor John Mahama any the NDC government efa mamuo na omubo no edi Kevin abebo na adwen eda kire Mahama prior to Accra flood na e course no be man kire mu no akire wa adwen edi amame e wo comment section how you Penyah block media mess right say any day mo oba like video na da mo subscribers and subscribe click notification icon filters update na be kire wa adwen da amame e wo comment section oba so a na je first enya be hwe na kan fun na la money send app na dia ma o USA o UK so be send ka ediko fia for the promo code Penyah TV send ka ediko fia na nala e be chow $20 for free on Sunday a very fast transaction smooth at the light speed o boss wa partner duru Ghana nya sa chow $20 for free. Let's go to the story. I was saying say Kevin Taylor oh no or your Mahama fan or your NDC pro communication officer as on the customer NDC or both defensive game no edema NDC in fact oni madwuma ne ye pa politics ne de oni mo ye emu insult ne de ade yemfa janda mu fam edwitwa Trump fam oni bibia ye all angles no bibia no oni mo bo na Kevin Taylor said that me change or no bibia fa Mahama ho ne NDC mamu hu bia na eye ne fe boni bia eni ho edema no na nim say last week Sunday ana enso kase bi to Accra ne montem ho no e ma Accra nyina eyiri e ma busia amanfo fie omo cars omo japade bre omo abo obi a fridge shop condemn obi phone shop condemn just say amanfo japade access e ma ade e ba ye no na end fo ne bi astarte e shake blame ano mo kire mo say ai MP for her you have no moral right to talk about this flooding. And I'm so crama the education minister honorable Idrusu how na Idrusu crab can be say hey MP mun come on ntumo na mo obetena kunyansi for 8 years 8 years no mantima anya hwe amfa flood ho hey mantima mo flood ho wa entinya nne enya nne ana ya betena so 2 years pa mo pese ye solve flood mun nya kranko pe ba bi ntina etina end for na start e shake blame no they were blaming Akufo-Addo and Bawumia e ma even kan Captain Smart e betena the show so ebe ka sen ko otumi akoba chie Akufo-Addo Bawumia gumja say ensem no mo ke kan de na enye yizi omunya e shake blame edigu MPP party say e omu effort ana o ma anya drainage system o ma dredge or that river no mu o ma anya the silting of gutters enu ntina ma adewe akoso e no bi atwa ade a Kevin Taylor si joba be kan we Kevin Taylor bibia ba obebo defense obe defend NDC not blast MPP let go be say MPP before dem come out because oba obeba betete mu apansam but where there there's been a U-turn Kevin Taylor say there be o your man mapa o ye Ghana ni opa o man cause onye say odo party bi nten there bibia nkwase ade bia no kodi me o say it's about time one e was ye kan okure e de kire John Mahama eni na mamu NDC Kevin Taylor say ade na akoso no o de sobo no e bo John Mahama because na e was say enkobetena so when ya eco 2 years we bibi fa gutters emosisie ene niema drainage system not continue bibi fa so anya the flooding akoso there ene ono ana oblemu no
mameka bibi nkyira mu mo a insu afa mo dan nyina 90% of you munim say bobia motini nsu efa ho you know let's not pretend let's not act as if say ye jimi ye nim ye the ecoso nyina ye ni tua Obia is suffering fear than Obia nim abai upon abai, and this government needs to be blamed because there are some things that the government needs to be bold, some decisions the government need to take. And it been a make no. So the NDC government also needs to take blame for this. Because right now, MPP also, this is the NDC government in power. So at the purpose here, you better NDC abaso. So the NDC government needs to set up and look at this issue critically. They need to basically make decisions, and those decisions are what? People living close to drainages, give them weeks to move from there and cover those nonsense drainages. Don't give people the room to commit a crime. In our attempt to save our own people, our decisions destroy them, and that is what is happening. Because I'm very sure, say, you created this drainage, our intentions, but that decision you take here, is it helping? The decision is rather destroying us, because you drainage is now. Now, look at this video. Here, baby, any party. Now, here, be a drainage. Look at this.
Look. You see, this is kiosk. This is kiosk.
Somebody's kiosk.
Somebody's kiosk.
You have to like you have to leave the house.
Huh?
You have to leave the house.
Cars, they say it even took cars came to pass here. Cars, motorbikes, animals.
Massa, the one I saw before, here, the same place here.
Oh.
I can't do that. My phone is free.
They'll tell you, oh, yeah, gata. The moment I go to Odono, na esi cycle, na next to Odo River, also Laguno said, next to it, na say, you this big gata, yankata aswa, na you don't follow more in a day on ball and going. I'm asking you a simple question. So, cycle, metonade or cycle. Na this big gata siwo, security nano. Na metonade na me wie nyumbre na me pra. The same AMA. The same government to say, Upton ade we are pra. Now, opra we are on fanko hen. Now, you say, or done the daho, the mudaho, or be any ho, or quado munatum. We are creating that problem. We need to understand. In the process of trying to solve a problem, we create more problems for the people. So, the Odona Esiwano, it is not supposed to be opened. No. It's supposed to be covered. Because Omo Mosaic, Naino Tomolagu, Sanso Weamu, Gata Weamu. Now, how many times can you desilt this gata? You can't. It is big. It needs a lot of money. You need a lot of power, money to desilt Odono. You cannot. So what you do is you prevent it totally. So before you move forward, what you do is you build fence, a timber 20 feet. Then you commit to doing what? Clearing every shit in it. After that, the same time, you put concrete on it. Then you make sure that it is secure to the point obi to import ball and two. Then in Sobia be a raw water or dirty water and no abroad here. But today we are sitting here saying we are going to fight air flooding. We cannot. Let's not kid ourselves. Let's not fucking kid ourselves. Let's not pretend to say the air cost is able to solve. You have to solve it. You have to solve it because as a nation, as a people, we are not ready to take hard decisions. Every single person living close here, those in your man or don't they need to go. I'm telling you. Some VIP for to cycle market women. And we all know spare parts. Every single person because it's accessible. Because we have given them a direction. We have given them a place to dump their trash. Odono, nobody should live even 500 meters from Odo. Everybody that lives close to it should be moved away from there. What are we doing if we are leaders? If we are a nation and we cannot take decisions, that decisions are immediately it will hurt, but in the future it will save us, and then we are not building a nation. Every day, Biano, you're taking decisions as you throw. Oh, Obi Beka and Wabo Ajunabone, Obi Beka Buafu, Obi Bufu, never say, what the fuck is that? Just take the decision. Send a byway and decided to say everybody close to Odo River. Wow, we are 200 meters from Odo River. Move. We are giving you 2 months. There are some people who come out and demonstrate. There are some people who come out and say, don't give a fuck about that. Make sure you are saving Omwangasa lives. And the moment you do that, you will not see this nonsense happening in Accra. Every storm drain, beer, Accra beer is opened. A recipe for disaster. A recipe for disaster. We cannot do this. We cannot keep talking. Somebody has to take the hard decisions. We are not educated. Sometimes, I'm catching Ghana for Ghana, without due respect, it is a moi, especially the African. You need to be strict on us. Ghana for ask yourself why. Bogus Libi or Ghana, Mudru Ghana, Mutujunso Abontin, Busansa Dintra. Obia Tnabruche 25 years, 30 years, Onyini Beman Junso Abontineda. Obi Crampo Airtun to see what Guantano ferry. Why? Because what they came to meet is what they have to live with. Your bogus Omti Germany, Eti America, Eti UK. On Timin Junso Abontineda, Johnson in the Shannon or driving up a baby rest stop, or Drew Ghana, or Kwe Yeno or Johnson. Right? Because the system allows it.
No, can say we are not coming down some man for so no to be the manager John Mahama.
John Mahama and Yere Mami Lotina. And away the vice president, Nana Jane, grandma. na busia o sekata ye daaya any picture ya hwemudin ye wo hana nano helicopter ekotehwe ma NDC politicians verse 6 to 8 omofrim Lordina Mahama enim na na Jane esu ya twet de da so yi o de hwedi da so din ya o nano yete ya sei yesu ba mbone ne yempanimfo bone bia ye nya omunti politicians bia ye incompetent nti ensu atwa for Ghana force wa Accra enipa 32 ahwere wo nkwa monhwe de John Mahama ne yere wo moye John Mahama as a president, Vice President Mama Lodi, look at them. They are dancing. Omu him hanky fita. And so now no dear, etu nipa 8. Mama Lodina, John Mahama yere, look at her. Oh soon, mini. Vice President, me who Vice President only empathy kura say that me who be daw. Now him, the man is so funny ne say, Ghana no. Enipa 8 no almost one for swatch 32 no according to John Mahama Vice President Grandma any Lodina adwene tie de aka no enano eto enipa bi 8 ne de nyina ye dia wreho in fact John Mahama Grandma the police for che gas bi say eyo mo de say play bi kra kwate ahwe enne enipa 32 Ghana for report to say Efrim ya ono ne yere ene Vice President omo celebrity him hanky te mumu sase eti sankrofo wemu na ya na mukum ho eye yenshi rado idebi eye wemu a so on say mo hia you don't matter when it comes to say o ye nipa they don't see you as such eti gene twon firi o mo nchen hwe Lodina o na no wo su hwe no wo miri asede wo ade ya politicians o mo yes special wu on some mo yes special on some mo ye Ghana for no mo yes special. According to John Mahama, Lodina Mahama, and Vice President Nana J. Grandma, look at these people. Such incompetence in the gross. Just say incompetence kakrakao. Oma bon tibon kosofo. Look at them enjoying in the glamour of ordinary citizens. No mo didi. Look at them. Wankasa ye Ghana ni afa ho adwen. Say omo hu hia chen. Onso omo yim hanky. Timu sa say etika John Mahama ne yere ejai sa thanksgiving and prayers no eno mo dwene Ghana fo nan ka ye dey e ba ye no wo de helicopter nam wiem on si form John Mahama e were to a wise e was Sunday ma
medi President Mahama ho ya medi ne ho ya wo kwan bi so yes yenum bi kan won ye campaign ma mo na mo be di power na ye campaign amama be di power nso nche se e wo se ye nhwe han na enuoma agigu de tie ni I was like shocked I was gobsmacked bra President ba London no be ka say flood na ekoso Ghana ho no eye behavior problem not engineering problem afedie you trying to buy ya wasabe catch and say the first problem o kan yen say a engineering problem the fact say more leadership position na mo di o man so doesn't mean say munim ni nyina o and the fact say your company ma mo so nche say ye behwe ntwen han na enuoma akoboni aspect no ebi akoye economy mo ya ade but there was some mugitumuni Mr. President leadership on ya the man we are on complaining about obi behavior because the police need na ho ema first nipa ba ebe gina ho ton wi na ya nti no no obi foforo aba no abeton wi ya nti ono so the third person aba wa beton wi ya nti no na afi no abeye wi edwa wi marketer na police kro na akwa akogina nchen se enye police fo no na entumi enso wi ton na no na emomu no wi ton fo no na se omo ton wi no na omo suban enye we allow stupidity and foolishness to fester. Yema like enkwasiasem pro ebon eyi kankan ansana ya shase ye ba bitu ase. Ene ye bubu manfo dan egu. Meanwhile no so no omo budan egu nne no. Omo say omo kura assembly to me aban na omo to me e aban na di to me amam. The same aban kro no an sam omo to me ma omo see dan no. Because aban na fa engineer wo ho engineer no otua omo ka bosu me say hwe na yensi dan ensi nsuo mu engineer na gene bosu me aketua wadi okọ DC abejeje ne contract wadi okọ afi die ono no to asase a oba district beje permit no ono ne yekobu ni dan agu miwa no teacher ni no nurse ni no citizen na mo politicians mun si dan fa ma wo no omo ankasa de amemmemfe kokosi wo mo dan a mun si dan wo asase papa so ma ye ne ntena mu a mun si na ye de amemmemfe ni ohye ni ohaw akoto nsase wo yesu ni mu ye wia na wo no e wo se u control se ne yesi behave no wasa ba begina ho se ye behavior enye and say behavior na wo se eye there shouldn't be police station. There shouldn't be court. Say behavior na was yes son the any kwase police station, any kwase your court. Na yankase yemfa behavior emfanye. Munya 2 minutes we are na afi mo shift go post no. Ye beka no kra ne de akire mo pa muntie, mo pa emamuntie.
Asemane enkanka president mo ayato abayiwu. Asibedi o man so. Na disaster to say ato manfo enkwala ni mpini ewu wo hwe video ye da misro ya utimi wo se obi ba o peneba ne nkwa akwala ya wono na wotwe one ne mame da ho nsu afa no Mahama so wonte into ono de obey Thanksgiving service no wato nyom adanyame ase atontun nyame because ono wonte obi a case Ghana pa na ye basa entre Mahama wa form ani nyina shobutu na wo ye de wo pe enti say ene de o man ma wo se brabe no vice president wo ye opa tankanya badaye ne kachire wo president ne se debi sa Thanksgiving we die me ntwam ansa watimi akogina ho ahye fita ehim handkerchief Ghana fo ye ya ne yakofa ba ye jijijiji next time no se mokoto aba mo be hwe obi odwe on man Ghana ho na nya omo ndwe Ghana ho omo ankasa personal interest ene hia hwe se de atorenchem ne bleachie kakraka abo Ghana ni nyina Mahama so ohu ye wonte na emom no wakogina ho ene ne yere edi asa ene vice president edi asa se bewie o man Ghana ye jejirije
efiri ene nan ni a insuyiri esi wo man Ghana mu ema ekum nipa eburu adwie no ama binom ejapade wo mo adan wo mo sika eskufu wo mo di hyiade ene niema bebre asai wo man Ghana mu na mo de wo me hwade wo hwe picture ye da ha ya eye mampani John Mahama ene ne yire ene abusuafo ne aban mu mpanimfo ene asofo atitiru bi wo man Ghana mu a na ye da sore ya omu ye Thanksgiving service and prayers na mibusa mo say edi ho Thanksgiving service edi ho na ye bɔ mpa ye di o mampani sa adi o ye a mo chef white be direjina ho yi edi senke ye tu sheda enka amo aye nyina because me hwe asa na wudi wona wo yire ne omo na ahia ho asofo atiti asofo mpanimfo na wo hwe wudi ho a wudi asa
na se mo wani giem meanwhile no am otimamufo no ho kwa ho hiahiem wo mo kire wo mo o ko ho na uti helicopter mo na anam wiem asem na tifam eso na wonam wiem yeti kroma o helicopter di yanuanu bi ko hwe ase me ka busuafo ya ewo oboase na yaba mu mpanimfo yehu die omampani wo yeye eni yaba mu mpanimfo mo yeye o ko ho na wo hye fitaa na se asem si ye no wa hye tuntum na mu nyina mu su ebi so wo yaba mu mpanimfo nipa nwotwe we eburu nipa duenu amanfo niema a omo ahwere agapade ahodo na so omampani ukogina ho se mo ye Thanksgiving service na aka say we ye showers of blessing na omampani in fact say wo council of state ni wo chief of staff e wo man Ghana mu na se mo timi atam mo ntimi am postpone sa ade we atena ho ye sa ade we ya in fact enu ami hu ye na mewra ho na mehwe sa mo gina ho amudi na mewra ho se me ye Ghana ni because asem na esi no eya huhiahia amanfo akohiahia mu esi fa ho kwan ye befa so e betimi asolve sa problem no na yesi ye kudura kwa Thanksgiving service omampani saadi we enu amoye no enye o enye na mo sende bad signal e di ama oma timamufo no samo nwene wo mo no kwase na meka no eyade amoye no enye
obeka kire wadwene e de ama me e wo comment section hi Penyah Block Media Accra